Hey everyone! Today, I'll help you turn spreadsheets into action items by importing from and exporting to Excel. Let's get started. In just a few clicks, each Excel sheet can be easily converted to a Monday.com board. To start, click on your avatar and select Import Data. As you can see, you may import content from several other tools as well. For now, we'll select Excel. Once here, either drag and drop your file or select it by clicking here. Now, it's time to customize your new board. First, designate the row in your spreadsheet with your column names. These names will be matched in your Monday.com board, and anything above this row will not be imported. Next, select the column in your spreadsheet that will become the first column in your board. These will be your item names in Monday.com. Finally, you'll want to fine-tune the column types for the remaining columns. Our system will automatically detect column types based on the data included, but you can change them by clicking here. Prior to importing, you'll be able to select between status, number, email, date, or text columns. For other columns, such as the phone column, simply select text here, and you can change it after importing. With your columns set, it's time to create your board. Within a matter of moments, your data will be brought to life in a living, breathing, collaborative space. To change a column type after import, open the column menu and select the new column type here. Need to import data into an existing project? No problem. Simply click the drop-down menu next to New Item and select Import Items. Much like before, you'll start by identifying the column with your item names. From there, match each Excel column to an existing column in your board. Finally, select your preference if duplicates are found and click Start Import. Now you'll have everything you need in one easy-to-use project. If you need to export data from Monday, you can do so in a matter of clicks. To export a group of items, open the Group menu and click here. To export an entire board, open the Board menu, go to More Actions, and select Export Board to Excel. By clicking Export Table and Updates, you'll be able to see all posts from your update sections within the same document. Finally, admins can export all of your account data at once in the admin settings. Upon clicking Export here, admins will receive a zip file within a few hours containing every board in the account. By the way, if you're looking to share data with someone outside your account, be sure to check out the Broadcast feature. Here, you can share real-time updates from your project with all non-Monday users. That's it for now. Click here for more tips and tricks and all things Monday.com.